Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best weed eater Milwaukee is probably one of the most sought-after tools for homeowners looking to maintain a pristine lawn, and for good reason. This powerful and efficient string trimmer is designed to tackle even the toughest overgrowth with ease, making yard work less of a chore and more of a satisfying accomplishment. Whether you're dealing with stubborn weeds along fences, trimming grass in tight corners, or clearing brush from your property, the Milwaukee Weed Eater offers a reliable and high-performance solution that stands out in a crowded market of outdoor power equipment. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Introducing the WORX WG163, a versatile tool that easily converts from a string trimmer to a lawn edger in seconds. Tackle your yard work with unparalleled convenience. Never worry about running out of line again. This trimmer features an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach every corner of your yard with the 90-degree pivoting head. It allows you to trim on sloped terrain and access those hard-to-reach places with ease. Achieve straighter lines and cleaner cuts thanks to the rubberized wheels. They provide support and guidance, ensuring a professional finish every time. Trim with confidence using the adjustable spacer guard. It prevents accidental damage to your plants, landscape features, and lawn ornaments. This tool comes with two powerful 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They are lightweight and compatible with any other WRX PowerShare tool, offering maximum flexibility. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging. If you have a yard with varied landscaping and need to tackle both tasks efficiently, this is your go-to. Its ability to pivot makes it ideal for navigating tricky corners and slopes. What people say. Much lighter than the original. The two extra batteries are awesome. I can literally finish my entire yard with one battery. The automatic feed button seems as if no extra line is being pulled out, but upon inspection, it really is. Number 4. WORX WG896 Electric Lawn Edger and Trencher. Experience professional-grade power for your lawn care. Its high-speed motor delivers clean, precise lines and edges every time. Adapt to any task with 3 distinct depth settings. Easily choose the perfect cut for your specific edging or trenching needs. Achieve perfectly straight lines with the integrated cutting guide. You'll see a noticeable difference in the precision of your work. Designed for comfort and ease of use, it features an adjustable shaft and ergonomic D-grip handle. This ensures a comfortable working position for users of all heights. This tool is engineered with advanced technology for modern efficiency. Build a cost-effective collection of tools designed for durability. This corded electric tool provides consistent power for your landscaping projects. An extension cord is required for operation. What we like. Experience professional-grade edging with this corded electric model. If you demand deep, clean lines and have a consistent power source available, this tool delivers unmatched power for precise edging. It's perfect for those who prioritize a sharp, defined lawn edge. What people say. This corded electric model is way cheaper than the battery-powered, or gas-powered, models, and is absolutely up to the task. Lightweight and maneuverable. Quiet. Easy to store. Equipped with a 12-amp motor, this edger packs a punch. It effortlessly cuts through grass, overgrown weeds, and even stubborn roots, leaving clean and precise edges. The blade's 7.5-inch diameter is ideal for maintaining straight lines and crisp borders. The WORX WG896 truly shines when it comes to its versatility. It serves as both a lawn edger and a trencher, eliminating the need for separate tools. The quick-release lever allows for seamless conversion between the two functions, saving time and effort. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer and Edger, LSTE 525. Tired of bumping to advance your trimmer line? With this tool, you can easily feed the line with just the push of a button, making your yard work simpler. Keep going longer with the included 2 batteries. This means you get double the runtime, so you can finish your yard without interruption. Take control of your trimming with 2 speed settings. You can choose to boost the power for tougher jobs or extend the runtime for lighter tasks. This tool isn't just for trimming, it easily converts into a wheeled edger. Achieve clean, defined edges around your lawn with minimal effort. It's part of a versatile system that offers endless tasks with one battery. Power your style and get the job done efficiently. Experience increased torque for more cutting power thanks to the power drive transmission. It ensures a clean cut through even stubborn weeds. Work comfortably for longer periods with the premium micro texture grip. It's designed for maximum user comfort during extended use. What we like. Get the best of both worlds with adjustable power and extended runtime. If you have a larger yard or encounter tougher weeds, the 2-speed control lets you boost power when needed. For those who value convenience and longer working periods, the dual batteries are a game changer. What people say. It has 2 speeds, one normal and one more powerful. I trimmed grass along my fence mostly, so it cut that with ease. It also cut through thicker weeds well too. I love that the length is very easily adjustable for use and storage. It also edges pretty well. This one is lighter and the string feeder, both automatic and push button when needed, are working great. Number 2. Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker, your ultimate solution for a perfectly manicured lawn. This powerful tool is designed to tackle any yard task with ease. Experience unparalleled versatility with its 3-in-1 functionality. Effortlessly switch between a 17-inch string trimmer edger and a 10-inch brush cutter to handle all your landscaping needs. At its heart lies a robust 26 cubic centimeters full-crank 2-cycle gas engine. This design ensures longer life and better fuel efficiency compared to traditional engines. Get started in just a few pulls with its easy start system. The comfortable rubber handle and included shoulder strap make operation a breeze, even during extended use. Its full crank design not only extends its lifespan but also enhances fuel efficiency, saving you time and money. Enjoy reliable performance season after season. This tool is compatible with various attachments, allowing you to easily convert it into different functional tools. Save money and space by investing in one versatile machine. What we like. Unleash raw power with this gas-powered multi-tool. If you're dealing with overgrown areas, thick brush, or need maximum portability without battery concerns, this is the solution. Its robust engine and brush cutter attachment make it ideal for heavy-duty yard work. What people say. The Milwaukee M18 fuel trimmer is incredibly powerful, easily tackling thick weeds and brush with its high-torque motor. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control, letting you adjust power based on the task at hand, from delicate edging to heavy-duty clearing. Number 1. Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless 4-in-1 Multi-Tool Kit. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 40V Cordless Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile tool is designed to handle all your yard work needs with ease. It seamlessly transforms into a string trimmer edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and brush cutter. Tackle any task with just one powerful device. Designed for comfort, its lightweight construction reduces strain on your arms. You can work for extended periods without feeling fatigued. Equipped with two 20V 4Ah batteries, it delivers strong and consistent power for demanding jobs. Experience efficient and effective performance. Assembly and switching between attachments take only seconds. Spend less time tinkering and more time getting your yard work done. Enjoy a comfortable operating experience thanks to its optimized internal structure. It minimizes vibration, keeping you comfortable and fatigue-free. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for diverse yard maintenance. If you appreciate a lightweight tool that can transform into a pole saw, hedge trimmer, or brush cutter, this kit is for you. It's perfect for homeowners who want maximum functionality and comfort in a single, adaptable system. What people say. Powerful weed trimmer able to slash through 8 to 10 inch tall grass weeds, hedge trimmer can reach tall bushes and tilting blade helps get to awkward spots while keeping you away from brambles, pole saw is effective at reaching tall branches of my oak tree, I've cut branches up to 3 diameter. The greatest advantage is the modular design, where you are able to switch out the attachments quickly and save space in storage, since it is not one long trimmer or pole saw, etc. All the attachments work so well, the batteries have a long run time, easy to switch attachments, and customer service responds the same day. Reps are knowledgeable and patient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.